How to add money to your PayPal account from bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can add money to your PayPal account from bank. But before we get started, as always, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, if you want to add money to your PayPal account, it's very simple. Just log into your PayPal account and just click on the transfer money under your balance on the home page. So as you can see, the option called transfer money, and as you tap on transfer money, on the next page you'll see all this type of options over here, and you'll find the option at the bottom that says add money to your balance. So it is free to transfer money in both directions between PayPal and your bank, but the process actually may take several days to complete. So this is just a little disclaimer for you. Once you tap on add money to your balance, on the next page you have to simply enter the amount of cash you wish to transfer from your bank. So enter the amount that you would like to add, and then also enter the account details, and then just tap on the add button over here. And on the next page, just click add this much amount to complete the transfer. Just keep in mind that it may take a couple of days in order to complete the transfer from your bank account. And this is how you can add money to your PayPal from bank account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.